Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Pro, and let me share with you, or actually explain, how to save the AI subtitles which are generated in real time. So, I know that this option is tricky because for some reason our device does not show us the opportunity to download the subtitles. But what if we are on the wrong mode? So let me explain everything. Let's start with opening the settings. Here we have to scroll all the way down to find additional settings and scroll down again to find AI subtitles. I just want to start with the explanation of this feature, basically the settings, and after that I'll show you the whole example of what we can do. So here we've got something called audio source. Let's tap on it. Here we've got 3 different options, so your device can catch and translate system audio, microphone, or both, which are combined in one option. And the funny thing is that saving option will work only if you will use microphone or system and microphone audio. For some reason, we are not able to download and save the transcription, which is made by, which is translated from the system audio. But let me show you how it works. And let me give you the example of the approach which you can adjust if you still want to download the system audio. I mean, this option is not the best, but still you can use it to save it. So let's begin with maybe microphone, so I can show you how it works with the downloading option. We've got the microphone. Now we can go back. And before we will actually translate the sound from the microphone, we have to turn on the AI subtitles. And all you have to do is to unroll the control center and here find this icon, this toggle. If you cannot find it here, no worries. Just tap on edit, then scroll and find it somewhere here and tap on the plus icon. Your device will immediately add it to this section. As you can see, it is called AI Subtitles. So let me confirm and let me tap on it. And now the device is listening to the microphone audio, which means that it is catching my voice and it is translating it in real time. And as you can see right here, we've got the download icon, thanks to which we will be actually able to save maybe not the sound, but the transcription. So let's simply tap on this download icon, or if you wish, you can tap on this resize icon, let's say, and open it in the full screen. Let's tap, and now our device is still translating everything, etc. Now all we have to do is to, for example, just tap on this pause icon and tap on this download icon. And as you can see, we just saved the subtitle content successfully. And the same will happen if we will choose the... Oh, no, we don't want to translate it. The same will happen if we will choose the system and microphone audio. However, if we will choose the system audio, so the option which I've told you that it won't work, then this will happen. We have to reopen the AI subtitles. Now it is listening to the system audio. So let me choose maybe this YouTube video. And now our device will basically translate the system audio. However, as you can see, the download icon is not visible here, which means that we cannot really save it. We can resize it just like before to open it in the full screen, but still we do not have the download icon. Unfortunately, for some reason we cannot download it. Our device won't allow us to save it, and the only option I can actually propose in that case is to actually take a screenshot. I know that probably if there was a long video, etc., you will take a lot of screenshots, but still you will somehow save it. If you wish to find the saved content, I mean saved subtitles from the microphone and combined system and microphone, you have to simply open the notes. So just find the notes, and as you can see here, your device will have it saved right there. Alright, so this is it. This is how saving the AI subtitles works in this device. I hope that this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.